Did you know the Galapagos tortoise is the largest living tortoise in the world, with some weighing over 250 kilograms? These gentle giants can live for more than a century, slowly roaming the islands they helped make famous. Join me as we explore the fascinating world of the Galapagos tortoise. The Galapagos tortoise is the largest living tortoise on Earth. Adults can reach up to 1.5 meters in length and weigh between 180 and 250 kilograms, though some giants can exceed 400 kilograms. Their domed or saddleback shells are usually a dark brown to black with thick, scaly skin of similar tones that protect them from the harsh island environment. Their eyes are dark brown or black. Juveniles, on the other hand, are much smaller, typically only 5 to 10 centimeters long when newly hatched and weigh just over 50 grams. Young tortoises often have a lighter brown shell with more pronounced ridges, which gradually darken and smooth out as they age. The Galapagos tortoise is found nowhere else on Earth but the Galapagos Islands, an isolated volcanic archipelago in the eastern Pacific Ocean, about 1,000 kilometers west of mainland Ecuador. Locally within the Galapagos, they are distributed across several of the larger islands, including Isabela, Santa Cruz, San Cristobal, Santiago, Pinzon, and Española. Thought to be extinct, a single female was discovered in 2019 on Fernandina Island. Galapagos tortoises inhabit a remarkable range of environments across the islands, from hot, dry lowlands to cool, lush highlands. In arid coastal zones, they roam sparse shrublands and cacti-dotted landscapes where food and water can be scarce. In contrast, in the elevated volcanic highlands, they find humid forests and grassy meadows which is rich with vegetation and permanent water sources. Some tortoises even migrate seasonally, moving between dry lowlands and greener upperlands to follow the rains and shifting food supplies. The Galapagos tortoise is a strict herbivore, feeding on more than 50 different species of plants. In the lush highlands, they graze on grasses, leaves, and herbs, while in the dry lowlands, they stretch their long necks to reach prickly pear cactus pads, fruits, and tough shrubs. They will also eat fallen fruits, lichens, and even chew through the bark of certain trees. In times of scarcity, they can survive on dry grasses and cactus spines thanks to their tough mouths and slow metabolism. For water, they drink from rain-filled pools in the highlands, but they also rely heavily on moisture from succulent plants and cactus pads in the drier zones. Remarkably, these giants can go for months without food or water, storing fat in their bodies and water in their bladders, which is an adaptation that once made them a target for sailors. The Galapagos tortoise moves with a slow, deliberate gait supported by thick, column-like legs. Each step is steady and powerful, carrying their massive bodies across rocky volcanic terrain, through scrubland and up into the highlands. Despite their reputation for slowness, these tortoises are capable of traveling surprising distances. Some individuals migrate seasonally, where they walk many kilometers between the arid lowlands and the lush uplands to follow fresh vegetation and water sources. Their broad, flat feet with blunt claws help them grip uneven lava flows, while their long necks allow them to stretch forward as they move. Galapagos tortoises have no way to scratch their own shells or remove parasites, so they depend on the environment and even other animals for grooming. In the wild, they often wallow in muddy pools or dusty patches, coating their skin and shells in a protective layer that helps deter ticks and biting insects. Even more remarkable is that they sometimes engage in a mutual relationship with small birds, such as Darwin's finches. These birds hop onto their shells and necks to pick off ticks and parasites. And that concludes this video on the Galapagos tortoise. If you've enjoyed learning about this remarkable reptile, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the natural world.